What's up guys, I'm back with another video. Alright. What's up guys, I'm back with another video for you guys. Another unboxing video sneaker. It's a brand that called Puma. As you can see, lately Puma is trying to catch up with the game, try to catch up with Adidas and Nike. But the sneaker pickup today that I got, it's not really a trendy shoes, it's just a indoor shoes, which is futsal shoes, or we call I'm not sure what it should be called, futsal shoes, indoor shoes, I don't know. Yeah, but yes, it is a futsal shoes, and you can see the box here. I already put it here. Yes, let's take a look. So the shoes come with this type of box. I mean, like, it's just a normal render box, but this box is actually nice. Very nice for me. It's very attractive because the color, some sort of, like mint green, and the logo here, the Puma logo here, or the Jaguar here, looks very shining, and it's kind of reflective. Like the card, the Yu-Gi-Oh card where there's one Yu-Gi-Oh, sometimes there's one Yu-Gi-Oh card which looks shiny like this. Yeah. So this for me this kind of attractive actually. So yeah, without further ado, let us unbox this box and show you the sneakers. Let's see. Alright, this comes with the socks. It doesn't come with the socks actually. I bought these socks. Okay, let's take a look at the sneakers. Okay, so here are the socks that I bought with the shoes. So now we might just put it aside, and we just here for the shoes. So let's see the shoes. This shoes actually is very interesting, and that's why I bought it. And besides that, my old futsal shoes is already, like can't be used already. It's very beat up and tear apart already. So I need to buy a new one. So yeah. So here's the shoes. Let me take both of it. Alright. Okay, here's the shoes. And I'm just gonna put the box here. So here it is. This is called, I forgot the name. Alright, this is called Puma One IL Sin IT. Alright, never mind. And the color is actually in shift green, white and black. UK €8.42. Alright, this is my size, right? So yeah, it's the shoes. It's very interesting shoes for me. I'm just gonna hold one already, right? So let's talk about the shoes right now, yeah? So for the upper part of the shoes, actually is very soft here. I don't know whether it's leather, some sort of leather or nylon, I'm not sure, but I guess it's just a leather, but not really a good quality leather, as is because this is just a grade D shoes. I mean, like the lowest grade shoes you can get for futsal shoes, because Puma has their level of shoes, which is Puma One, Puma One 1, Puma One 2, Puma One 3, and Puma One 4. The Puma One 4 is the lowest grade, so what I got here is the lowest grade, and that's why the material is not really good, but it's kind of soft, it's kind of soft and kind of solid if you can feel here. And you got some sort of the dots here, like for the tractions, I guess, because this is the part where we hit the balls. Hit the ball. I mean, when we shoot around, we hit the ball here. So this is the part we hit the ball. And for the laces, you only get one laces, which is in this green color, or mint green. What do you call it now? Shift green. Yeah, the shift green colorway. It's called shift green. Actually, my mistake, not mint green. So what interesting about the shoes the most is actually for me this silver colorway. I mean, like, it's very unique because when it hit light, the color is looking a bit purple a bit, if you can see. And another thing that makes me interesting about the shoe is the traction. Actually, if you can see the tractions, yes, this traction is very unique, and for me it's very I don't know how to say this because I never tried these shoes yet, but for me it's very interesting that Puma made this kind of traction. I guess this is very good traction because there's a lot of, you know, like this triangle thing of things, and then Puma here, and then triangle of things. So yeah, and the shoes come with, I don't know, like a little bit of socks here. I don't know, like if you see Nike shoes, they always made like some sort of the socks lining up there. Yeah, so this is it. And yeah, there's nothing much about these shoes actually, just a normal regular futsal shoes that you can get at, you know, like at Puma retail store here. And I got these shoes actually around at 139 ringgit after discount. Before discounts it's usually 282 ringgit. So basically this is very good shoes. It is a steal. It is a very steal. I mean, like, you can't go wrong with these shoes. So basically, if any of you guys looking for new futsal shoes, this is a great shoes for you guys to cop because it's cheap, it's nice, and it is, I don't know, it's very unique. The color is very unique, you know, like this is the shoes for you to go with if you want to play futsal, you know. Like Puma is a good brand, and it is a very long brand, so basically you can't go wrong with this Puma. So without further ado, I'm going to show you a review on fit and some bureau shot of the shoes maybe.